Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Ford Escape key fob easy method. Begin by removing the mechanical key from the fob and locating the seam. Use a small flat tool or coin to pry open the case gently, starting at the notch. Lift the circuit board slightly to access the battery. Replace with a fresh CR2032, ensure correct polarity, and snap the case back together securely. Start with the mechanical key removed and inspect the fob seam for a small notch. Hold the fob steady on a clean surface and insert a coin or thin flat tool into the notch. Twist the tool slowly to ease the halves apart, applying only light pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Once the case opens, set aside any small internal pieces and expose the battery compartment carefully for replacement. With the case open, observe which side of the CR2032 faces up so you maintain correct polarity when installing the new cell. Remove the old battery gently using a fingernail or plastic tool, avoiding metal contact with the circuit. Insert the fresh CR2032 with the same orientation, ensuring it seats firmly in its clip. Test the fob buttons briefly before closing the case, then realign and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.